Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Zeus Proxy. Have you ever wondered what makes a proxy fresh and how to avoid getting into trouble with websites? In this video, we'll break down fresh proxies and what keeps them out of blacklist. Fresh proxies are like your online bodyguards, ensuring you a smooth ride on the internet. A fresh proxy is one that hasn't gotten into the blacklist of big websites like Google and Cloudflare. These sites have clever detection systems that spot proxy abnormalities, and they share that information with other websites. When a website sees a shady IP, it might block it or limit the access using CAPTCHAs or slowing down the loading speed, and notify other websites about their discoveries. That's why when you end up being in a website's blacklist, you might also be in other websites' blacklist too. So, how do you know if your proxy is blacklisted or not? I'll use a proxy from Zeus Proxy to illustrate how to test if the IP is blacklisted. I'll test this proxy on 𝐓𝐢𝐦𝐞𝐬𝐭𝐚𝐦𝐩 browser profile. Here's how to tell if your proxy is misbehaving. Firstly, check 𝐓𝐢𝐸 address. There are some online IP checking websites such as 𝐓𝐢𝐸𝐻, and other IP checking sites that can sniff out if your IP is causing trouble. Next, conduct a Google test. If you're always solving puzzles and CAPTCHAs when you Google things, your proxy might be in Google's bad books. Lastly, do a forum check. Some forums, like Black Hat World, use Cloudflare for security. If you can't access the website, there might be some problems with your proxy. If you're tangled up with Google and Cloudflare, it's time to recheck the quality of your proxy. But remember, not all websites follow these systems. Therefore, you should run your own tests on your online tasks using the proxy to be sure if it works for your cases. One thing is for sure, fresh proxies don't last forever. Even the best proxies get tired. Heavy use or lots of people sharing same proxies can wear them out really fast. Proxies from hotels or cafes usually downgrade quickly because many people use them. As you keep using a proxy, even with the right cookies, your accounts might get locked or ask for lots of logins and verifications. To fix it, you'll need to switch IPs. For important and high-value accounts, you should invest in good proxies which can last longer and secure your accounts better, even if they cost more. Some proxy providers can make IPs fresh again, but they keep their tricks secret. They might work with big systems to get their IPs off blacklists. Residential proxies from regular households are usually more reliable than data center ones because they have the same IPs as regular users. Another type of proxy that you should go for is the 𝐓𝐢𝐸 proxies. Most websites support 𝐓𝐢𝐸 while only a few allow both 𝐓𝐢𝐸 and 𝐓𝐢6. Accessing websites using 𝐓𝐢6 also put your accounts under greater risk of encountering CAPTCHA and suspension. Zeus Proxy provides trustworthy 𝐓𝐢𝐸 residential proxies tailored to a wide range of different needs. At Zeus Proxy, we understand that one size doesn't fit all when it comes to proxies. That's why we specialize in crafting proxy solutions that cater to your specific requirements. Whether you're an individual user, a small business, or a large enterprise, we've got you covered. Our commitment to providing top-notch proxy services is evident in the standout features that define Zeus Proxy. We maintain an extensive IP pool with global coverage, ensuring that you'll always find the right IP address to meet your unique needs. We take pride in offering connections that are not only lightning fast but also incredibly reliable, so you can browse and work without interruptions. Our proxies are sourced from premium IP resources, guaranteeing the utmost quality and reliability. You have the flexibility to customize rotation intervals, allowing you to fine-tune your proxy experience. Need proxies from specific locations? We've got you covered with precise geographic targeting by country, state, and city. Enjoy unlimited bandwidth so you can browse, stream, and work without worrying about data limitations. We are committed to fulfilling our customers' needs and providing exceptional support whenever you need it. Our proxies are compatible with both HTTP, HTTPS and SOCKS 5 protocols, ensuring a secure and versatile browsing experience. At Zeus Proxy, we don't just provide proxies, we provide solutions tailored to you. With our comprehensive range of features and unwavering commitment to customer satisfaction, we aim to be your go-to partner for all your proxy needs. For more information, feel free to reach out to Zeus Proxy's dedicated support team via our website zeusproxy.com. Be sure to check out our service and may the right proxy be with you. See you next time.